Hey guys, Tony here. Just wanted to let you guys know that we did actually trade out of this range for Anchor, and we are beating relative highs for the starting week ever since the beginning of August. Really, we haven't broken that 10 cent, 11 cent barrier in a very long time. Super happy about that, and I am expecting Anchor to basically go all the way back up to previous resistance at 12 cents or 12.6 cents or so. After that, it's basically just a push up to 16 cents. Then we have resistance at 17, and then we're gonna have resistance back here all the way up at like where previous highs were at like 21 cents or so. But again, we did finally break out of this trading range. Anchor is doing extremely well. I do expect it. See, so I'll get rid of my little arrows because my forecast basically hit. And as a lot of you guys do know, I actually sold all of my, well, not sold, but I converted all of my doggy into Anchor, just because I do think Anchor has a much bigger possibility of running to the upside and possibly getting a bigger multiple. For doggy to go to $1, you would only see a multiple from now, maybe like of a 3x. Anchor going to $1, you would see possibly a 10x return. And that's what I'm expecting Anchor to do, hopefully within the next year or two. And I definitely think it's at least minimum a $10 billion valuation for Anchor, if not probably closer to $30 billion valuation. So we'll see what happens, but I do think that as of right now, Anchor is going to be running up to the upside. Let me see if I can get sort of a rough estimate of where we can possibly see sort of a little bit of resistance. Yeah, I mean, we can see a little bit of resistance right out as soon as we hit 12 cents. I do think from here, we'll possibly do something like this, where we go up, hit that 12 cents, and then possibly come back down and retest these highs, and then go back and run up to the 12, like 12 and a half, 12.6 cents area. But yeah, just a quick update, letting you guys know that we did break relative highs, and I do think we are well underway at hitting 12 cents in the future. So I'll see you guys later. Bye.